Yeah, they had it on the news. I mean, you see those reports all the time of somebody shining a laser up at a plane while they're landing like a real asshole. But somebody caught this guy in the eye, this pilot, and he really did damage.